Hey everyone, welcome back to the Analytical Coding. As you all know that our channel focuses on Power BI and in the future other data analysis skills as well. But in today's video, I want to reach out to those exploring different career paths and introduce you to a great learning platform called TuteDude. If you are someone looking to upgrade your skills, get project-based learning and even receive job assistant, you are going to love this video. Today, I'm introducing you to the TuteDude, an online learning platform built by IIT Delhi alumni. It is designed to help learners across India gain industry relevant skills. And here is the best part: you enroll for 699 rupees, complete the course, and get a 100% refund. Yes, full refund. Let's dive into how it works and what makes it so special. Firstly, let's be honest, we have all seen hundreds of free courses online, but most people don't complete them. Why? Because there is no commitment, no support, and no personal accountability. So TuteDude flips this approach. You pay 699 rupees to enroll, which keeps you committed. If you finish the course and clear the assignments within 3 months, you get full 699 rupees refund and you still get lifetime access to the course even after getting the refund. And the best part is you will be having expert mentorship for free. So that is what many of us really search for in the learning platforms. Though we have recorded videos to learn, we will be sometimes stuck with our doubts. We don't know whom to reach out. So TuteDude helps you in that situation by providing mentors for free. Now, that's a model that motivates you to complete and apply your learning. So TuteDude is not just video lessons. You get instant mentor support for your doubts, and second, project and assignment based learning, and help with resume and CV building, and also course completion certificates. And yes, they also offer internship and job assistant. So all of this is backed by a 4.4-star Google rating and 70,000 plus learners across India. Pretty solid, right? So let us now explore their platform. Once we go to tutedude.com, you will find a wide range of courses, whether it is a full stack development, data science, designing, or others. So you can see that we are having multiple courses to learn, right? And you can choose from different packs they are having. They are having the combo packs, like we can learn multiple skills together, and we also have customized course pack where we can select the courses we want, and we also have all access course pack, so where we get access to everything. And these packs are affordable, especially compared to other platforms which charge more for similar content, right? So here you can see how we can learn for free. So first one is we have to enroll our favorite course by paying the 699, and we have to complete the course, and then we'll be getting the 100% refund, right? And you will also get lifetime course access as well. Okay, so these are the different reasons why we have to choose the TuteDude. So we will be having the 100% refund guarantee, personalized mentorship, internship opportunities, and also premium quality courses. So you can see how TuteDude is different from others. So you can see that TuteDude is affordable and it has learning flexibility, and it also has instant doubt solving which we miss in the remaining recorded class platforms, and we also have personal mentorship which we do not get in other platforms, and we also have the dedicated projects, guaranteed paid internship. So this is entirely separate from the other platforms we are having. So you can also see the different video reviews from the students who learn through this platform. Let us click on one course and see how the course is structured, right? So every course includes structured video content, assignments to test your understanding, doubt resolution, and certification upon the completion. So here we will be clicking on the course we want, and we can click on the enroll now. So for enrolling, we need to sign up with the TuteDude with the details by providing here, right? So once we sign up and click on enroll now, we have to pay the money, and this course is available for us. So in this Python course, you can see it has 4.9 plus course rating and the total content duration is 39 hours. So you can see how the course is structured as well. You can see how it is categorized by the concepts, right? So we have to complete the course and assignments within the 3 months so that we will be getting the 699 refunded. No tricks, no hidden charges. And we will be having instant doubt solving. So doubts will be solved and it is a one-to-one learning, right? So if you are a student, a fresher, or even a working professional trying to upskill in areas like full stack data science, so this model works perfectly. You are not just learning theoretical content, you are building real world projects, getting mentor feedback, and building a resume. So, if you are serious about learning and want the right support along the way, check out TuteDude today. Link is in the description. So, if you like this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Analytical Coding for more useful content on tech skills, Power BI, and career growth. Thanks for watching.